everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds, and then I'll go through each individual line, and I'll do that for every verse until I've learnt the whole song. And if you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. First line of this song we're going to play, which is B, B, C, D, C, B, C, D. So again that line is. The second line of verse 1 is. So we're playing B, B, C, D, C, the lower E, C, B, G, A, B, up to D, and then down to E. The next line is. So it is just B, C, D, B, C, D. And the final line of verse 1 is. B, C, D, E, E, C, B, G, A, B, A, G. So that is it for verse 1. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So for the pre-chorus, we're going to play. So we're playing A 5 times, B, B, A, G, E, G. So again that is. The second line is. Which is again A played 5 times, B, B, A, G, G. The next line is. Which is A played 5 times, B, B, A, G, E, G. And the final line of the pre-chorus is. So it is D, 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 B, B, C, B, A, G, G. So that is the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. on to the chorus, and this is how it sounds. The first line of the chorus is so it is D, D, G, G, A, A, B, B, D, D, F sharp, F sharp, G, G, A, A. So again that is the second line is A, C, B, B, A, G, G, A, E. The next line is so it is the same as the first line. It is D, D, G, G, A, B, B, D, D, F sharp, F sharp, G, G, A, A. And the next line is A, C, B, B, A, G, G, A, G. And the final line of the chorus is B, D, E, D, D, B, D, E, D, C, B, B. So that is the chorus. Let's play it again. Now we can play verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So verse 2 is nice and short. The first line is, which is just the pattern of B, C, D twice, B, C, D. So again that is. The next line is. So it is B, C, D, E, E, C, B, A, B, A, C, B, B, A, G. The next line is. So that is verse 2, let's play it again. After that, you can play the pre-chorus and the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the bridge is so it is G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G, D, E, G, B, A, B, E. Again, that is. The next line is, which is just F sharp, G, G, B, D. The next line is, which is G, A, B, G, G, A, B, G. And the next line is, so it is D, D, E, G, B, A, B, E, D, D, A, B, D. And the next line is, G, G, A, G, F sharp, G, B, D, E, G, F sharp, G, B, G, A. So that is the bridge, let's play it once more. So after the bridge, you can play the chorus once more, and then that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.